Hey guys, today we will be destroying a Tella silver washing machine. One that's a bit probably the one that's been like completely soaked, but it still works. Break time. Just reminds us that these washing machines are on wheels, like the pink, like the one I did to the red one. Yes, check it. It works still. Someone throw a brick in it. Ooh. Look, dance around on its wheels. Look at it. Disabled wash. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Gone mad idea. Okay, must have stopped. Look at the well, what do we have there? Okay, so the tires on the washer went flying off the first time, lost the tire on the first one, but yeah, the other one didn't. But the green. Don't worry, the green one's right there. I smashed like a pink one. Look at that. Look how much. Look at that. We lost the front. We lost it. No, the top's okay. We lost the detergent. Front of the detergent drawer. As you expected. We lost the sides. We lost the left side. And we lost the right side. Burns and grass. Okay. So, okay, it's a 10-2 now. Didn't lost much because it's on wheels. Okay, we just lost the. Ready? Yeah. Okay, I'm doing washer. Ha ha ha. It's destroying washing machine. Okay, washing machine. Ha! Ha! Okay. You can this is like an electronic. It was a charcoal washing machine. It's not on gas. It's like food tire. So this washing machine took a lot of time. Even the washing machine just threw the coal inside. If you see coal inside of the washing machine, it will form and here, well, look at the wheels, the big ones. They came off. Okay, attempt 3, see if it works. Look at it. Backed it did. Look at it. Fell into the washing machine and backed the washing. Like it made, whoa, like burning hot. So right here, spinning washing machine over there. Go! That's it, 10-4. Done. I'm not sure about the belts, but I just lost, I guess. I think that's it. That washing machine's completely done. Still. Okay, looks like we're done on this washing machine. It's destroyed. The one with a brake on it, which is the green one. If you want to see me destroy the one with the brake on, which is tomorrow, head down in the links. Descriptions below. But thanks for watching. See you later. And so the belt's off, everything's off. They lost the top, we lost the sergeant drawer. But anyway, guys, I got to go. Bye. And the fun's gone, the wheel's gone. Bye.